Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about how we can actually use your Canva to create a YouTube thumbnail to have that catchy effect for your YouTube. So now let's get started. So all you need to do is click on the Canva app while you wait for it to load. If you don't have yours, go ahead to download from the Play Store app. You'll surely find it there. So now you're waiting for the app to open and it's done. So next, what we're going to do is search for YouTube thumbnail. Why? Because it has its own size. So it is always advisable to use template as for YouTube thumbnail. So we have so many here. All you need to do is tap any of those. So I've actually clicked on one. All you need to do now is edit. Click on edit. Yeah, so now we are going to be using this for the purpose of this tutorial. So I want to change this text. I don't want it. So all I need to do is delete. So let me just make your eyebrow. So I may decide to change the color of this text. So what you need to do is tap on it, click on the white, and you can make it yellow, green, any color you want. So just let's leave it at that. Then the right top below here, I do not need it, so I'm going to tap on that. So all you need to do is look up here. You can see the delete icon, so you click on it, then it will be deleted. So the background itself, I want to change the color. So when you tap on it, it will reflect down here. So all you need to do is click on this pencil icon below, you tap on it, then you can decide to choose any color you want. So you can see I've changed it to white. So I think I love the white, so let's stop there. Then what else do I want? Do you know you can actually duplicate this image? Maybe you want to have more than one image, you can actually duplicate that. Then how do you do that? Just tap on the image, then below this delete, so you look up below the delete icon. When you click on the icon in the middle, you can see, so it has doubled itself. So you can now decide to move it over to somewhere, you can see here, or some do actually leave it like this to create that effect. You can see that behind effect. You can actually leave it that way, or so that's just another one. So but basically, if you want to have two images, you can actually move it over. Let me adjust this, then let me adjust this right up to in the middle, then let me do this properly. So you can see now, if you decide that you don't want this particular image here, you can actually tap on it, and when you tap on it, you look below, you see gallery, image, color, filter. So you can decide to click on image. So when you click on image, that means that you're trying to use any of the images that comes with the Canva app. But when you tap on the gallery, that means you want to use the photos you have on your phone. You understand? So now I'm going to be using image, which means I'll be using the photos that comes with the Canva app itself. So for the purpose of this tutorial. Let me not waste your time. I can decide. Let me just choose something. Okay, maybe I should just use this. No. Okay, I can manage this. So it's just for the benefit of this tutorial, to show you the things you can actually do. So basically, I believe you have the photos that you might want to use for your thumbnail. So when you have them ready, all you need to do is go to the gallery and you are able to click the one you want to use. So I'm just using this for the benefit of this tutorial. So don't forget that you can actually change the color of the text. You can also, which I've done, you can also increase the size. You can see, let me increase the size. You can see, you can reduce the size to what you want. You can increase it, but I think the best thing is for you to increase the size so that it will be catchy. And most important thing for YouTuber is that your thumbnail. When your thumbnail is catchy, you'll be able to attract more people to click on your videos. So I hope I've been able to do justice to this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, please, I beg you, subscribe to my channel so you have access to many more videos like this. And don't forget, when you subscribe, you see the bell image, tap on it to get notified for subsequent videos. I love you. Bye bye. Oh, before I go, I forgot to mention that this arrow down button, you can actually tap on it to save your design. So once you save your design, you have it in your gallery. So that's just this. Alright.